The top 10 digital income streams, monetizing the online landscape in 2025. The digital economy is experiencing a rapid evolution driven by artificial intelligence AI and the increasing demand for highly specialized skills. In 2025, successful online income generation moves past basic side hustles and into structured, value-driven business models focused on automation and niche markets. The following 10 strategies represent the most profitable and scalable methods for capitalizing on the current digital landscape. The first major shift is toward AI adjacent and specialized technical roles. Top of the list is prompt engineering and AI consulting, where experts are paid to create, refine, and integrate highly effective prompts for generative AI models, allowing businesses to maximize efficiency in content and design creation. Closely related is high-value freelancing in areas like DevOps, cybersecurity, and Web3 development. These roles command premium hourly rates because their skills are essential yet scarce. Finally, creating a niche software as a service SaaS platform offers substantial recurring revenue. Instead of generic software, focus on building tools for highly specific professional communities, such as specialized inventory management for artisanal bakeries or compliance software for small legal firms. The second tier focuses on leveraging existing knowledge into passive or high-ticket assets. Experts are finding success through high-ticket remote consulting and coaching. This involves selling specialized expertise, be it financial modeling, advanced marketing strategy, or corporate wellness, through personalized online sessions, priced on value delivered rather than hours spent. Another strong avenue is creating and selling digital products, such as advanced Notion templates, industry-specific ebooks, custom 3D models, or modular code scripts. These assets require a one-time effort, but offer indefinite passive income potential. Finally, traditional online business models are succeeding through hyper-specialization and automation. Automated niche e-commerce has replaced standard dropshipping. Success now relies on using AI tools to identify emerging product trends and automating the entire fulfillment and customer service lifecycle. Hyper-niche affiliate marketing thrives when marketers build deep trust within a small community, reviewing specialized tools or products, e.g., specific photography gear or biohacking supplements, with high-value conversion. Furthermore, the role of the specialized virtual assistant is evolving. Instead of managing emails, VAs are now expected to manage complex technical tasks, such as handling a client's Kubernetes clusters or managing advanced paid advertising campaigns across multiple platforms. Lastly, data analysis and visualization services are in high demand as companies struggle to make sense of the vast amounts of information they collect. Offering clear, actionable reporting using tools like Tableau and Power BI fills a crucial gap for small and medium-sized enterprises. To achieve sustainable online income in 2025, the overarching principle is specialization coupled with automation. By choosing a distinct niche and integrating AI tools to enhance productivity, individuals can effectively transition from merely trading time for money to building scalable and profitable digital assets.